Welcome back. I'll continue the next topic today. So in the last class we are discussing about sleep command. So now in this class I want to discuss about kill command. Kill command. Kill command. What is the meaning of kill? You kill something. Okay. So in the sixth unit, most of the cases we are discussing about process now. So that's why what will be killed? The process will be killed. Okay, so that's why the kill command is used. It is actually job control technique. Job control technique. The kill command is using for to control the job, to control the process. That's why we are using kill command. So we will see that the kill command, how it is executed. Okay, so I will show you that output also. So kill command. Kill command in Unix located in the bin or kill. Okay, it is built-in command which is used to terminate the process. Which is used to terminate the process. What is the meaning of termination? Automatically kill your process. Okay, termination means automatically kill your process. That's why we are using the kill command. So kill command in Unix is a built-in command which is used to terminate the process automatically, manually. Which is used to terminate the process manually, not automatically, manually. Okay. We are giving the $kill, so process ID we are giving, automatically that process will be killed manually. We are typing something now, so that's why manually your process will be termination. Okay, the kill command sends a signal. The kill command sends a signal to process. Okay, the kill command is mainly the signal is passing to the particular process. Automatically that process is terminated. So how we are giving? We are giving the process ID. Okay, the kill command is sending the message to the process ID. So that process ID is stopped. Okay, or terminated. So that's why the kill commands a signal to process which terminates the process. Automatically the process ID we are entering within which the termination of the particular process. Okay, so this is called as kill command. If the user doesn't specify any signal, which is to be sent along with the kill command, by default term means termination. I told you in the starting signal table SIG term. SIG term means it is called as a termination. Okay, TR SIG capital S I G. SIG means signal. TERN. This is the signal. So this signal meaning is termination of the process. Termination of the process. So automatically you are not giving any signal to the particular process. So the user doesn't specify any signal. So you are not specify any signal which is to be sent to along with the kill command. Then by default term, the signal is sent to the termination of the process. The signal is sent to the termination of the process. It is called as kill command. So this is the kill command. Description. Here some description is there. I want to share you. To send any signal to a process from the command line. So to send any signal to the process from the command line, use kill. Okay, how we are sending the signal to the particular process using kill command? You are sending the signal to the particular process. Okay, so that's why to send any signal to the process from the command line, use the kill command. How to send the signal using kill command? You can send the signal to the particular process. So that's why you are using the kill command. To list all the available signals, use the -L, small l, because of it is lowercase. Okay, don't use the capital L. Okay, so here the list of all, L means list of all available signals, use this. Okay, $KILL. Okay, -L means so all process will be killed. Currently running process are all killed using the small l. Okay, small l. lowercase letter only we are using, otherwise it will be not good. Okay, so this is the point meaning. Okay, if it is using the option, this one is option, hyphen L is the option. Okay, hyphen L is the option. We also provide a list of Unix signals. I told you already signals table. Okay, so signal 1, 2, 3, signal 4, signal 15, signal 9, signal 25. I told you already. So we have provided a list of Unix signals for you. Use a quick reference. So if you know that all the signal numbers, 1 means something is there now. So signal 1 means I have already completed now here signal table. So this one means SIG HUG, hang up, signal hang up, signal interrupt, signal quit, signal kill, signal termination, signal stop. All these are signal names. So these numbers you know that automatically we are using to terminate manually using kill command. So that's why I told you all these points. Okay. Okay. So here, so this is the, we have also provided a list of Unix signals for you to use a quick reference. So if you know that one suppose, so one meaning is what? It will be hang up the signal. 2 meaning is termination. 3 meaning is quickly termination. Like that, quit. Sorry. So all these things we know that easily we have to kill the particular process. Okay. So we will see. So frequently user signals. Hang up. I told you already. Hang up. SIG, HUP, interrupt, kill, stop, terminate. Okay. Okay. So these are suppose sometimes we are using 0. No. 0 meaning is also we have to specify. Okay. A signal may specified in the 3 ways. So by number, we are specified by number. Suppose 1 meaning is signal hang up, 2 meaning is interrupt, 3 meaning is quit. So like that we are mentioned the number. Okay. So 0 to 9 numbers we are mentioned. So here by the signal specified by numbers, the signal specified by name, the signal specified by suffix. Okay. So these 3 things we are applying to kill the process. Okay. So by using number, by using name, by using suffix number. Okay. So these 3 fields are mentioned. We have to automatically our process will be killed. Okay. So here these 3 things are we will follow. Okay. How to use that? So this is the syntax. So first of all, kill command is terminate the process. What is the purpose of kill command? To terminate the process, we can use the kill command. So that's why here $kill PID, process ID number we should mention here. So otherwise, what process is killed we don't know. Okay. So that's why $kill, small letters, kill. After that PID, process ID number. Suppose 002, it is your process number. Suppose $kill 005, like that. These are the process numbers. Okay. So process number you should mention compulsory. Otherwise, what process you will kill, you don't know. Okay. So the system is what process is killed, they don't know. So suppose sometimes all process we kill using killed -L. -L means list of all processes are terminated automatically. List of all processes are terminated automatically. So that's why we are using this type of syntax we will follow. Send a signal to the process. How to send a signal to the process? Here, killed within the braces. Within the braces, you are writing the number or digit. Okay. Suppose 1 is the hang up, signal hang up. So after that, you have mentioned the smallest. What is the smallest meaning is seconds, minutes, hours, like that we are mentioned here. After that, PID, process ID number. It means that, for example, killed hyphen within the bracket hyphen, you should write the number here. Again pipeline symbol -s. You are also here one more thing we have to write it here, and after that what process you are killed, that process number you are writing here. Okay, 0, 0, 2. So kill, here you should mention the signal number and one more signal we can add it, and process ID. This is the process ID we should write here. Okay, so this is called as signal kill, process kill. Okay, so this is also available. We should write here list of all process also at a time we can kill by using the table. So we should write here in the same process. This is called as syntax of the kill command. Okay, so for example, kill -L. I told you already all signals. So all the signal names represented here. All the signal names represented here. Just $kill -L. So these are the signals are used to display on the screen. Okay, -L means available signals you can below in the command option. Okay, $kill -L. It will be display the list of signals. Thank you.